Hi everyone, I'm Mohammed Salahuddin and I'm going to show you something that I received today from hackster.io. So I have received a gift from hackster.io. It's a startup kit for developing 8-based application by Xilinx for joining their contest. So this box is very heavy and it's really nicely packed. You can see so you can see the Hackster logo over there. The Hackster logo is there, and due to the custom regulation, they just open it and then repack it. So it's a security reason they can do it. And there's no damage inside. So I'm very much interested to show you what's inside the box, and I'm going to unbox it now. Stay connected. Okay, let's unbox it. No, is it? No. Yes, that's a good idea. Use this. Okay, let's do that. Very gently. Okay. This one. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, lots of work. It's good. It's very good. This is the what is this? Okay, let's put it here. The starter kit is coming down to where this is the Kria KV260 starter kit, and what we have left inside. Yeah, there is something, some sticker from Hackster. Thank you, Hackster, for giving this nice sticker, and some paperwork. Some paperwork, and I think there is nothing left inside. Just only the very nice box pop out. So okay, let's check what I received. A receipt about this description actually, the Kira kit and this, and we have a starter kit, we have a hackster.io, and we have two of these that we receipt actually. And let's open the unbox this starter kit first. I think it's better to choose that box to open first, or that box to open it. And of course, let's see close up. You can a closer look of these two things that was received from them as a gift for participating in their project. And let's unbox. This thing is intact, and yeah, that is really intact, and let's unbox it first. I think this is the accessory kit. I think so. That is the kit and the accessory box. We open it up, and we have yes, this is the accessory box actually for this Vision kit. If we open it gently, a adapter, power adapter, which is something. It's a power adapter, and what do you get inside? Ethernet cables and HDMI cable, HDMI male to female cable, 6 feet, and then the basic accessory kit that it includes actually cables. We have already got 2 cables, power supply we have already, camera, USB and micro SD card. Let me check. And the camera, the micro USB, and this, I think this is the memory card. I don't know why they give us memory card. Yeah, it's adapter included here. Memory card is good. This is neat. And finally, the last one is the last one. I think this is the camera. Let me open it. Yep, I think it's the camera module. Yeah, it's the camera module actually. The camera module, and if we have this thing that we have received so far, the 4 adapter, camera, and the memory card, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 items that includes the kit. So let's work this thing a bit, and let's open the other thing that we have, the Vision AI starter kit. So let's open it up. Yep, it's very simple. Just open it, sign in. Yeah. So that's all about this. That's it. It's a Kira 600K, and getting started guide is there, so it's very helpful. And here we go. Very protective way they take care of their kids, and this is the kids that we are waiting for. So the kit, this is the kit. That's the kit that we have received, and now we'll open it in another session. So let's open this thing. Here is the how can we use it? So if you just on the chair, and here you go, the all new kit that I received from Xilinx Kria B2. So you can see, have a look at this kit, and just to make it zoom on it is better, to make the build quality is good. So let's set Xilinx. So let's make this zoom on it to see the view of this kit. That is it from register. Let's see, very smooth, very nice. Shiny kit with the so very good input output. The Xilinx is over there. And we have the Mars battery Kira. Now it's clear. So thank you guys. That is the starter guide that also comes with the kit, and some other tools also coming together with this thing. It's all about this, and thank you so much everyone for watching this unboxing video.